Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I'm going to show you how to create menu, how to add menu items in our Shopify store, how to edit, delete or link or customize anything relevant Shopify menu of your Shopify store. So, if you are very beginner and you are just started your Shopify journey from today or from this month or this years, then you can continue this video. So, let's get started. First, we have to know what is a website menu. A website navigation menu is an organized list of links to others' web pages, usually internal site pages. Navigation menus appear in the page header or sidebar across a website, allowing visitors to access the most useful pages quickly. This is just a theoretical introduction of a website menu. Now we are going to watch the real example, and I am going to make everything clear and simple as this tutorial is for very beginner. Here is one of Shopify store. You can see that, and this is the menu categories: about us, our store, recipe, blog, FAQ. So it's called menu or menu navigation item, and it's usually appear in the header, and this is the header section. Also, we are going to open another site. Here is another site, and you can see that there is navigation or menu, shop, collection, blog, contact, FAQ, featured, and it's also in the header section. In most of time, menu appear in the header section. Now we are going to learn how we can add menu item or create menu navigation and display in our header. Okay, to do this, I am going to my Shopify admin panel. Here is my one of Shopify store, and you can see that there is no navigation or menu, and we wanted to add menu and navigation like the example. Okay, to do this, I am going to my Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click on online store, then navigation. So before that, you must have to remember that you have created pages, you have enough pages on your store. If you have not created pages, then you have to create page. So you can see that there is only contact page. So I'm going to add other pages in here, and I already shared another video in my YouTube channel how to create pages in your Shopify store. So I'm going to add new pages in here. So click on add new, page name about us. Then I'm going to add few content in here, just a drama content. Okay, add this content in here, save. Now if I click on the pages, you will see there are two pages, contact us, about us, and contact. Then create another page, name FAQ, then drama content, save. Also we have to create the product collection, and you can see that there is a lot of product collection already created. Also we have uploaded the product that we can use on our navigation. So you must have to add this before you start at menu item on the navigation and display your menu in the header. So you must have to make ready everything like upload product, create collections, add pages or create pages. Okay, then we will go to the online store, navigation. Then you can see that there is name main menu, but we can add a new menu in here. So I'm going to click on the add menu. My menu name is primary menu. Okay, you can give any name in here, so that is no any problem. It's totally up on you. So click on the save primary menu. Now we have to add menu item in here. So I'm going to click on the add menu item. Then first we are going to add menu item home. So you can see that here is the home page. Just write home, add. Here's the home. Then add menu item. We will add collections, select collections, all collections. You can change any text in here, all collections. Then add another menu, pages, about us. Then add another menu, pages, contact. Okay, we can also change the text, for example contact us, apply. Now click on the save menu. Okay, we have created our menu and added the menu item under the primary menu or under our menu. Now go to the home page, reload. you can see that the menu is still not appeared in here, so we have to go to the customize section. So I'm going to click on the online store, customize, then click on header. When I click on header, you can see that the header section is highlighted with blue border. Then you can see that menu, change menu. Right now select main menu. So we are going to click on the change menu, and here is the all the menu name, main menu, footer menu, and our menu is primary menu. So select primary menu in here, select save. You can see that the menu is appearing here. Reload. Wow, the menu is appear in here. So now I'm going to share more about that. For example, we wanted to add a custom link. Right now we added all the internal link which is existing in this website. For example, about us page in here, contact us page in here, also all collections available under this page or existing this page. But we wanted to add a link in here, for example, book now, and it will be go to another booking platform, or you can booking platform, or you can add any link, any outside link in here. So how we can do that? Okay, to do this, go to the customer section, exist, and here is the admin panel, navigation, our menu, primary menu. We will work on the primary menu. Then click on the add menu item like custom order and add a link in here. So I'm going to add a link. For example, I just want to add any booking website link. For example, I want to add another third-party website link. Right now I'm going to add my website link, services, e-commerce thesis services, looks here, and I wanted to add this link in here. For example, when someone needs any custom order, they will go to this page. This is another website page. Click on the add, save menu. Now reload. Now go to the home page, reload. Wow, you can see that there is a custom order. In previous, when I click any links, it's go to the same website, same internal pages, and now if I click on the custom order, it will go to the another website, outside link. So I hope you understand. Go back. Okay, now if we want to drop down menu, how we can draw that? Okay, I'm going to show you this also. For example, I wanted to add some collection under all collections. So click on the add menu, click on the search icon, collections, then body, and this collection will be under all collections. So just drag and drop under all collection, then add another in here, skincare. Okay, then another add in here, collections, this one, then another collections. Okay, we have added sub menu. Now click on the save, reload our website. Wow, you can see that there is a drop down menu icons. Click on this icon and you can see there is the drop down menu right now. Also you can make it mega menu. So how we can make it mega menu? Just go into my menu section and add another menu, mega menu, single item 1. Right now just adding a product link in here. For example, you can add any product link, and this mega menu single item will be under body. Then create another mega menu single item 2, hash link, then another, three, save. Also going to add some menu under the skincare, or we can add menu in here, one again, save, and this mega menu 1 will be under skincare. Then add another in here, 2, then another will be in here, 1, this one will be under this one also. Then add another mega menu 1. This is just an example. and this one will be under top listing. So now I have created menu, drop down menu, and under drop down menu I have created mega menu. Click on the save. So simple. You can understand very clearly when you looks in here how it's working. Menu, mega menu, sub menu item under the mega menu, or mega menu item, single item. Now we have to go to the online store. Click on the customize. Right now this is drop down menu, it's called drop down menu, and now we're going to make it mega menu. So click on the header section and you have to select desktop menu. From desktop menu type, drop down to mega menu, then click on the save. If you don't select mega menu, then it will not work. So we have asset save it or save changes. Now go back home page, reload, click on this mega menu. Wow, looks very carefully, the mega menu is working. For example, I'm going to move this mega menu single item 3 under the top lipstick, then you can understand very better. Navigation, primary menu, just move this mega menu top this one under top lipstick. Okay, make it 2, save changes and reload, then you can understand very clearly. Wow, you can see that the mega menu single item 2 right now under top lipstick. So I hope you understand everything very clearly, how to add menu, how to add menu items, how to create drop down menu, how to make mega menu and add it on your store, how to link internal pages or external pages like custom order menu. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress, SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.